Fixing game crashing issue after Windows 11 24H2 update. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we'll be talking about the game crashing problem that many users have encountered after installing the Windows 11 24H2 update. We'll also go over some effective solutions to resolve this issue on your PC. So let's get started. So a large number of users have reported this problem across various online forums where they have expressed their concern about games crashing unexpectedly after updating Windows. Even Microsoft has officially acknowledged this issue, stating that the auto HDR feature is likely the main cause. If this feature is enabled on your system, it could be interfering with systems or the game's performance and stability. For now, a quick fix is to turn off Auto HDR on your computer. So let's go through the steps to do this. First of all, you're going to click on the start over here. And once you click on it, you have to click on settings. So once you click on your settings, you're going to click on system at the left side. And once you're here, you're going to click on display. And now when you're in display, you're going to search for the option that says graphics. So here is graphics. You can simply click on graphics. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see that if you have the Auto HDR option selected, you'll be able to see that over here. So right now, I don't have Auto HDR option selected, but if you do have, you're going to toggle that off. And once you toggle that off, you can restart your game and see if the issue is resolved. However, if the issue is still there and if your computer does not support HDR or if disabling Auto HDR doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to remove the Windows 11 24H2 update. So what you're going to do is again click on your start menu, click on your settings, and after that you're going to navigate to Windows Update in the left side. So here at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option that says Windows Update. So simply click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be able to see all of the updates. So you're going to scroll down until you find the option that is update history. Now you're going to locate the problematic update that is 544867. 544867, and once you do so, you can simply click on uninstall updates. And from here, you can just simply uninstall this specific update. And once the update is removed, your system should return to a stable state and allowing games to run without crashes. So these are some temporary workarounds, and Microsoft is actively working on a fix. A new patch update should be released soon to permanently resolve this bug. Until then, using these solutions should help you avoid game crashes and continue gaming smoothly. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.